Welcome back. Now, Zapier provides a time element which gives you added flexibility when you are scheduling automations. And you can find this added flexibility with Schedule by Zapier. And once you select Schedule by Zapier, you'll see a number of opportunities for you to be able to send messaging and data at a particular point in time on a particular day. You can also schedule data on a particular time of month. As a result, this particular application is only triggered. There is no action available. For an example of the kind of application that you can create, we can look at the Task Manager Wunderlist, and we can create weekly Wunderlist tasks. So we're going to click Use this Zap. We're first going to click Create this Zap. We're then going to click Continue. Inside of the Zapier app, we're going to be able to choose the particular day. We're going to be able to choose the time of day. And once we've done that, we're then going to click Continue. We're then going to click Fetch and Continue. Once we verify that the test is successful, we're then going to click Continue. We're now going to create a task inside of Wunderlist. We're going to test our connection to Wunderlist. Once we verify it is successful, we're then going to click Save and Continue. We're then going to choose a particular list, and then we're going to set up this weekly task. Now, in this case, we are going to look at the advanced options. And you'll notice that we can assign this to someone if we are working together in a team using Wunderlist. We can give the task a particular due date. We can also opt to provide a reminder to the person or to ourselves. And then we can also write in a note about the weekly task. So once we've clicked all the options we're going to add, we'll then click Hide Advanced Options. And now we're going to click Continue. We're going to send the test to Wunderlist. Wunderlist will verify that our test is successful. We'll then click Finish. And now our Zap is working for a weekly task to be sent at 8 a.m. every Monday. And we can verify that the task is sending inside of Wunderlist. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.